Chemical hazards. Intoxicity of a substance is defined as its inherent capacity to cause injury to a living organisms. There are classification of chemical hazards. First, inorganic hazards and second, organic hazards. In inorganic substances, halogens are elements which form a salt by direct union with metal. They include fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Chlorinated and fluorinated hydrocarbons formed during reaction of halogen with organic compounds cause depletion of ozone layer. In corrosive materials, alkaline compounds, acid compounds, and ozone nitrogen oxides. These cause corrosive local irritation of tissues as the skin, eyes, and respiratory tract. Ozone is very irritating to all mucous membranes, while nitrogen dioxide is more direct irritant. In metals, toxics and persistents, which is cadmium, chromium, copper, lead, manganese, mercury, nickel, and arsenic. In essential metals, chromium, copper, and manganese. Lead is used as anti-knock agents in gasoline. Lead is neurotoxic. Arsenic may naturally occur in groundwater. Carcinogenic. Inorganic compounds. First, hydrocarbons are basically a string of carbon molecules with hydrogen attached to the carbon molecules. And then next, aliphatic hydrocarbons, which is saturated, come exclusively from petroleum, which is methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, etc. Next is olefins, which is unsaturated. Hydrocarbons are molecules which have one or more double bonds between molecules, which potentially could be broken so that hydrogen atoms could be added to the molecule. In alicyclic, which is from cyclohexane, methyl, cyclohexane, and terpentine. In aromatic hydrocarbons contain one or more benzene rings. A benzene ring is a circular 6-carbon hydrocarbon with alternately single and double bonds. It's also estrogen-like activity and halogenated hydrocarbons. The next is alcohols. Alcohols are hydrocarbons in which at least one or more hydrogen atoms is substituted by hydroxyl group, oxygen and hydrogen atom. Methanol, ethanol, and propanol. In ethanol, fetal alcohol syndrome, mother damages in child before birth. In methanol, chronic effects include blurred vision, ultimate blindness, alcohol, liquor comes from illegal contaminant dilution process. In glycols and derivatives, two hydrogen atoms submitted by hydroxyl groups used as anti-freezing agents anesthetic in humans. Also, organic solvents widely used in exposure to worker persistent carcinogenic benzene and toluene produced when tires are burned. Routes of exposure of chemicals. Number 1 is release into the environment. The next is contamination of the environment. Contamination of the environment are air, soil, fresh water, oceans, and food. Like that. Then the next is exposure of individuals, inhalation, oral indigestion, absorption, skin, eyes, placental transfer, inoculation. And this is the routes of absorption, distribution, excretion of potentially toxic substance. And this is the table of two classification systems of hazardous chemicals.